Hi again, this is Aluchi from the Kabi Cauldron. Today I'm going to make the Korean chicken soup. The Korean name starts with a D, but I can't remember it, but I know it's the Korean chicken soup. But I'm going to make it with a twist. So I'm going to put some coriander. I'm going to put some coriander in there. And then I'm going to put some mustard seed. I know it's with a twist, so hang in there with me, okay? Just a little bit of a mustard seed. And some cumin. And I'm going to toast this. So I let that toast for about 5 minutes on medium heat, and I'm gonna put it away. So next I'm gonna add some olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna brown the skin of the chicken. Okay, here we go. Let's brown you, baby. I'm gonna reduce the heat. So I don't have a stock pot, and I know when Koreans cook this, a lot of them use a whole chicken and put the whole chicken in there as a whole. But I have to cut it up because I don't have a stock pot, and I'm not gonna go out to buy one at this juncture. So the whole chicken will be in there, it just will be cut up. Okay, now that the chicken is done browning at least a little bit, I'm going to put it in this pot so I can get ready to cook it. And I'm changing pots because I want a pot that I can close. So that's let's see, one more can go in here. Nice. And it might fit everything actually. Nice. Okay. And I'm gonna add water and some ingredients that I'll show you. Okay, while that is continuing the browning, I'm gonna add some salt. I grew up buying salt that always has iodized on it because I was so traumatized by social studies and economics and all of those classes, and even health, where they show you that someone has goiter from iodine deficiency. And also my mom always bought iodized salt, so that behavior carried over, and I buy salts that has iodized written on it. So I'm gonna add boiling water. For some reason I want boiling water, so here we go. I'm gonna have this boil for forever. Oh, I wish I had a stock pot right now, but So now time to add all the ingredients. So I'm gonna add all my ingredients, and I'm gonna use gloves because there's pepper. And I know the recipes that I've seen Koreans use, they don't really use, spicy pepper. They sprinkle black pepper on it at the end. So I'm going to add those things that I put through the pan in the beginning. And then I'm gonna add some garlic. They always add whole garlics, but I want the cut garlics because I don't really like whole garlics like that in my food. And then the pepper I'm using, I just cut a couple, like 3 Thai pepper. So I'm gonna add that. And then of course I have the green onions that I cut. And I also cut some ginger. So I'm gonna add that. And I'll also add the dates, but here, let me throw in all those things that I showed you. Then I'm gonna add bay leaves. And this look at that. I'll never forget, this just reminded me, there was a book that I was reading one time where this mistress was insulting her lover, and she told him that his shrimp or his lobster looked like blanched spinach in the morning. I thought that was hilarious. But yeah, this just reminded me of that. So this is called nchuan or scent leaf in Nigeria, but I'm gonna add it at the end before I take this off, just because I don't know how it's gonna react. And this is my first time making this Korean chicken soup with a twist, of course, because this is not how they make it. And I also have lime. I don't know how lime is gonna fare with this, so I'm gonna sprinkle it first and see what the taste ends up being before I go crazy with it. But I'm gonna put the dates because they use dates. I'm just peeling them apart because they are pitted already, so I'm just peeling them apart and putting them in there. And then with this, I'm just gonna sprinkle it. I was tempted to throw it in there, but I'm gonna see how it goes first before I do that. But yeah, I'm gonna let this cook, and while it's cooking, duty calls, aka laundry. So I'm gonna step away and let it cook for about 30 minutes and see how it turns out. Okay, see you in 30. And I'm gonna cock this open a little bit, that way it's not, when it starts bubbling up, it's not flooding my stove. So it's been going for over 30 minutes right now. I got distracted, but while it was going, I came back, took a little sip of it, and ended up adding the lime to it. So you can see the lime nestled in the corner over there. And now I'm going to cut the nchuan in, but I'm going to turn off the heat. So I'm going to cut the nchuan in, aka scent leaf. I recently came into it, so I'm just putting it in many things. Not in everything, but in a lot of things. Sakura-chan. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna turn it around, baby. And the chicken soup is done. I'm gonna serve it in a second. Scooped in some brown rice I made earlier in the day, and ta-da!